start with the lateral dorsal of the skull. Okay? So immediately posterior to the eye is the temporal. Okay? Kaya siya. Okay? That's the temporal. And then underneath the temporal, you cut here, no? Para ma-deflect ninyo. Okay? To expose the masseters. Okay? So that is the masseters. Ha? Okay. And then below the tympanic, this is the tympanic membrane. Below that is the depressor mandibuli. Okay? Depressor mandibuli. And then, this is the levator scapulae inferior. Okay? So, nag-ana man na siya. Ang makita dayo ninyo inferior. Then, ang superior, you detract it, balia ang liog, okay, to expose the muscle inside, which is the superior. Okay? That is the superior. Now, kung anaon man gud na nimo ang toad, no? Ana, mag-una gud na diri. So, that is the superior and then the inferior. Pero ganaon nimo, imo day makita is the inferior. Okay? And then, trapezius. Trapezius is the triangular muscle located at the dorsal, no, of the head, neck. Okay, so trapezius up to here. Okay, from here up to here, trapezius. Then dorsalis scapulae, no, scapula niya. Okay, so this is the dorsalis scapulae, and then beneath, not beneath, immediately posterior is a short band, latissimus dorsi. Okay? So, kana ha, mora ni siya ang latissimus dorsi. Kay kani, this is already the trapezius. Then, from here up to here is the latissimus dorsi. Okay? And then, next to the trapezius, this muscle which runs, no, up to here is the longissimus dorsi. Muna yung longissimus, long. Okay? So, longissimus dorsi. And then next to the longissimus, this one is the coccygio sacralis. Okay? Coccygio sacralis and then iliacus. Okay? Kani. Sacralis, yes. Gatupa na longissimus, sacralis, iliacus. Ang sacralis, this extends to the sacral. Iliacus to the ilium, okay, of the pelvic. Okay? Now, the lateral, no? This is the lateral abdomen. Kaning pinaka-outside, this is the external oblique. Okay? And then inner, okay, slice lang mo gamay sa external, exposing the internal oblique or the transversus abdominis. Okay? Now here's the ventral portion. The entire muscle that covers the stomach is the rectus abdominis. Okay? Up to here. Rectus abdominis. The line in the middle is the linea alba. Okay, the linea alba. And then the line, faint lines, no, at the side of the rectus is the inscriptiones tendinae. Okay? Na, kanarang mga line, ha? Kung kari ang i-point, this is the okay. O kani
linya alba.
Nya kani inscriptiones tendinae.
Miss, red lagi red nga siya. Linya alba appears red because of the presence of blood. So, if
naman na siya diha sa tunga, okay? Kung imo na tan-awon, ang tunga naanay siya blood vessel. No? So, dili na yun na siya mo appear red. Kaya nga dong. Ikaw ba ihumulog formalin? Di ba ka manggusta? Ha?
Kung buhi pa siya.
Fresh pa kaayo ni.
Red na siya.
Okay? Okay, let's go to the chest muscle. Okay? So, the big or the stout muscle of the chest is the deltoid. So, deltoid extends from here up to here. Okay? That is the deltoid. Now, next to the deltoid, which is partly covered by the deltoid, is the sternoradialis. Okay? The sternoradialis. And then, the next to the sternoradialis is the pectoralis muscle. 1, 2, 3. The anterior, the middle, and the posterior. Okay? Now, kanisha, this is the triceps brachii, the entire muscle of the forearm, upper arm. Okay? 1, 2, and 3. Muna siyang triceps. Okay? Triceps brachii. Okay, next. Ano say next? Mylohyoid. Mylohyoid, kanisha. The entire muscle, the entire muscle that covers the lower jaw. Okay? Now, kanishang middle, that is a diamond shape, no? A diamond shape, dili na siya muscle, it's like more of a membrane. Okay? That is the median.
Identify. Kutubra sa pectoral?
O, kutubra ko diri, ma'am, sa upper.
Dili, what do you mean by upper?
Including kanisha diri.
Dili, wala din yung sundanin.
Gisunod. Pero kutubra ko diri.
Ako kutub ko sa...
Wa na ko, wa pa sa kumo take up.
Ayaw, ang...
Diri lang sa...
Ang ako... Ako pareho. Kutub ko diri sa apilo na itong...
Oo.
Concept, ano?
Apil na po na ako, ma'am.
Binobe.
Kining sa...
Muscles of the floor. Niya ang...
Nya,
Ako na kayo next meeting.
Milo o kani. Diri na lang ilaha, next meeting. Upper lang sa ato, ma'am. Okay. Asa na to?
Nata sa diamond ng memory.
Median raphe na, diha ha? Ang spelling. Okay. So, this is the mylohyoid. Okay. Nya here. Oh. No, dili sa sulod. Mo ni siyang outer. Mylohyoid. Nya ako na siyang gitunga for you to be able to see what's inside. Okay? So, matunga na ninyo the very tip of the of the lower jaw. This one is the submental. Okay? Submental, and then the geniohyoid. No? Is that the next? So, underneath, no, immediately underneath the mylo is the geniohyoid. Okay? Now, what is next? Sterno. So, inyong kuan, i-break na ninyo ang chest. Okay? Para makita ninyo ang sternohyoid. Okay? So, this one. So, this is the sternohyoid. Okay, kaning long, no? Long band. Kani siya, duha na siya, both sides. Nag-stand na siya up to the attaching the rectus abdominis. Okay? Now, next, kani siya. Okay, omohyoid. Kani, oh. Slowly lang yun pagkuhan nyo kay usahay ni pis kaayo that it breaks, no? Kana.
Kanang gamay.
Kana. Kanang murag bridge bitaw nga nilabang from here up to this point, no? Omohyoid. And then here is the petrohyoid. Kani. This is the anterior. Oh, di na mo kakita. Anterior and then posterior. Okay? Petrohyoid anterior, posterior. Okay? And then the hyoglossus, the muscle of the throat. Hyoglossus, and then kini siyang pinakatumoy, okay, is the genioglossus. So, iklaro lang na ninyo, okay, so that is the genioglossus. Okay? Sige.
Ano na ba ito?
Dito lang sa